Hey folks, Mac T, and I'm back, and I have my 2005 Toyota back here behind me, and it has one of the most annoying failures that I just can't live with. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the problem is, and we're going to go ahead and fix it and get it so that I'm just not annoyed anymore. This is crazy. Now this Toyota has got a problem that just annoys me to no end. I like the car, it runs decent, except for the, how do you say it, the issue with the belt. I got to do a new serpentine belt, but as you can see right down here, that's where that seat belt is. Now you get in this seat, and you try to get that seat belt, and you can't get it. Now what's happened is the button has fallen off, so it goes all the way down. So I have a kit that I bought right here, and it is a 21 set stop button set with a little awl to poke a hole in it, and then you just put the buttons in it. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this real quick so I don't have to live with this annoying problem and failure on this seat belt. And it broke probably because it's the most used. I would strongly encourage you to make sure that one, you get to pick the button you want. So we picked the one that matches the dirty seat belt. And that's probably the tan one because it goes closer to anything else. So we'll go ahead and grab a tan button. And we got a two-piece here. So we have to get both pieces. It's pretty simple. You just get these two pieces. Then you run that seat belt up, because you want it up, you don't want it down. So you run it up, and then you find that hole where it used to be, which is right about here. It's right about here. I can pull this little thing off of here. That button used to be right there. And you just got to work that hole open enough that you can get that button through there. And once you get that going, you can drop it in the snow and do everything else you want to do. Got to get that hole big enough. Try and move it back and forth, widen it out. You punch it through. There you go. You see that it's punched through there. And then you just take this button, you snap it into place. By pushing on something really hard. There you go. Now we got the button in and it doesn't slide down. So there's your fix. Now you can reach the seat belt without any problems, and it won't fall off again for a while. And if it does, heck, you got 21 pieces, so you're all set, and I no longer have to search for the seat belt. That's my fix, folks. As you can see, doesn't take very long. It costs about $6-8 for the product, and I'll put that down below in the description for the link to this. So this will work on any vehicle that you have a seatbelt issue with, and it's a pretty cheap, quick fix, and you can fix all your seatbelts because you got 21 sets of them. These things probably going to hang around for my life. But anyway, this is Mac T. Hey, like, subscribe, join, and remember, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Bandit One's got some great music, and Mercy Girl always has a few one-liners.
Thank you for watching Mac T's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.